Hi, I'm Simon from Motodrome, and this is our 1954 Citroen Traction Avant Big 15. Hope you like it. Okay, here we have a 1954 right-hand drive slough built Citroen Traction Avant Big 15. The Big 15 is, well, or normal, as they say in for the French-built ones. It's sort of slightly bigger than the light 15, slightly longer and slightly wider, but it's basically the same car. But strictly speaking, you can have 6 people in this rather than 5. This one was originally exported from Slough to New Zealand and seems to have been over there, I think, till about 2007 when it came back to the UK. I'll have to check the history on that, though we have got a lot of history with it. Right, let's get down to some nitty-gritty. Now, paintwork wise, it's no concours contender, should we say. It has been repainted because I think it was originally green, but obviously black is really the only colour for a traction Avant. And you know, the paint is old, should we say, so it's quite patinated. Normally I wouldn't do a video like this today because it is starting to drizzle, but as there's so many paint imperfections on this one, it doesn't really make a great deal of difference. I'm not going to go through every single one, I'll just point out the major ones. Got a couple of chips there on the offside front wing. The bonnet corner there has lost quite a bit of its paint where the bonnet has been sort of, you know, lifted up and down. Chrome is all nice. This near side wing, as you can probably see on the video, it's a bit flat. I don't know if it's been repainted or what's happened to it, but we've tried polishing it without much success. Yeah, it's flat to about here. It looks like it may have been blown in, kind of thing, to about there, just behind the mirror. So yeah, bit flat on the paintwork, but you know, it does look like a 70-year-old car, shall we say, which I suppose is the idea. But you're not going to win any shows with this one. What have we got up here? Bit of a touched in chip just there. The roof has got lots of little cracks in the paint and lots of little blemishes like these in the paint. Micro blistering, all sorts on the roof. So, you know, it's a nicely patinated lived-in example. Paintwork on the doors is pretty good. Both of them, and the door fits are very good as well. Around the tail end, it's actually quite pleasant there. A couple of marks just up here in the paint. Again, chrome is very good. Just a bit of fluff. Looks good round there, and again, looking down the offside, looks very straight and tidy down there. This one's even got the original semaphores, which still work. Original semaphore indicators. Well, they have to work because it hasn't got indicators on it. As we said about the roof, you know, there's some cracking in the roof and some micro blistering and all sorts of things. Is it worth repainting? Yeah, if you want a concours contender example, but this isn't that, and it's not going to be priced as such. It's just, you know, it looks its age. Offside rear wing is all nice. Offside rear door. Offside front door is all good. Offside front wing is all good. Now inside, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's all been retrimmed in what do you call this colour? Ivory. Being a UK one, it's got the Slough built car. It's got the wooden dash and the leather. Headlining looks pretty new. Wood is all superb. It's also got extra mirrors on it, door mirrors as well as wing mirrors. And in the back here, again, absolutely lovely. It's got inertia reel front seat belts as well. Let's say it's a nice usable traction. Apparently it has done quite a lot of European tours and things, this one. But there we have it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.